Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing and review on my new AA rechargeable batteries. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for review, so let's go and take a look at them. So if you guys have like Blink cameras, or you guys got kids with a lot of toys that need batteries, these are always nice to have. User manual right there. Type-C cable to charge them. And then here are the actual batteries. This will actually charge all 8 of them. And like I said, they're AA batteries. They will charge within here. It will also serve to you as a case so that way you don't lose the batteries. All right, so for me, I still have Blink cameras that use the batteries and there's not an outlet nearby. So they're gonna come in handy. As you can see, my batteries are always low, so this should change that. So I do have my Blink doorbell right here. Go ahead and put some new batteries in it. And then while I install those, I did want to show on the case, once you connect it, so I took 2 of the batteries out, I checked that out. It'll let you know which ones are being charged. As you can see, these are the ones that I took out. If it does find any problems, it'll show as red. And then once they are fully charged, they'll just be solid green versus the way they are right now. And then what's cool about the batteries is they do provide a 1.5 voltage output throughout its actual service life. And then what's also cool is all the batteries will give you about 2,000 cycles. So batteries will actually last you quite a bit as well. Got the batteries on there, so let's go and actually put it out there. As you can see, they're actually working right now on my Blink camera. So if you guys are looking for some new rechargeable batteries, like I said, whether it's for your smart home devices, whether it's for your kids' toys, anything like that, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. I highly recommend.